sixth time around, Banay sa Nicolasnon from Barangay San Nicolas Proper will take part in one of the grandest festivals in the country, Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines, expressing their love and devotion to Señor Santo Niño. They have high hopes of winning the competition in January 2024 as they start preparing their 80 dancers and 200 propsmen as early as December. Barangay Captain 𝗕𝗶𝘆 of Barangay San Nicolas Proper assures audiences that they will wholeheartedly devote their performance to the Holy Child who has always brought blessings to their place in the lives of their people. They are also grateful for all the accomplishments they've achieved from the previous festivals, which include their awards during the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan in 2020, namely 3rd placer in the street dancing category, 4th placer in the Best in Musicality category, Best Choreography, and 4th placer in the Ritual Showdown.
Yes, my prayer to Santo Niño sa among barangay kaunta tagaan ning may panglawas og ang atong 𝗕𝗶𝗆 and of course among gihangyo sa Senyor Santo Niño nga kaning atong mga dancers atong contingent kaunta wala lang untay may tabo nga daotan og kini makalampos ta sa ato karon nga sinulog.
This year, their goal is to deliver a simple yet captivating performance that will touch the hearts of Cebuanos and tourists across the country. They have allocated a total of 1 million pesos for their props, costumes, and other expenses for Sinulog 2024. 𝗕𝗏𝗆, the group's choreographer, says that their concept for 2024 will revolve around the history of Christianity in the country.
Among ipakita within sa among sayaw ang spirit of Christianity. O di na mo wag tangon nga ang mga logo, ang mga kuan sa itawag na tog sinulog na adjud siya nagpabilin siya.
Abangan gyud ninyo ni, tanawa gyud ninyo. Kay karon gani nagpractice lang nakakita na ko kung unsa jud kanindot sa previous nga among nasayaw.
This has been Mary Francis Lynn Caayon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.